Hello everyone, welcome to the Python Basic Crash Course. Python is one of the most popular programming language today because it's simple, readable and powerful. Python is widely used in AI, machine learning, web development, automation and data science. In the next 10 minutes, I'll help you quickly revise all the core Python basics, perfect for last minute learning or interviews. So let's jump straight into Python. Let's start with the most basic Python program. This line here is comment. So any line starting with hash symbol is ignored by Python. Now we use the print function to display the output on the screen. Everything inside quotation mark is treated as a text or string. Notice how Python does not use semicolons or curly brackets, and Python code is very clean, readable, which makes it great for beginners. Now let's talk about variables. In Python, we don't need to declare data types explicitly. Python automatically understands the type of data. Here x is an integer, price is a float, name is a string and true is a boolean. This makes Python a dynamically typed language. The type function tells us what kind of data each variable holds. Now, let's take input from the user. Python uses the input function to do this. Very important point is user input is always taken as a string. So you can see it in this code also. That's why we convert age into integer using int function. Python automatically handles spaces when we separate values with commas. Now, let's quickly look at operators. These are the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, and the division. And finally, the percentage mark is the remainder. Comparison operators return either true or false. Logical operators used to combine conditions. And means both conditions must be true, or means at least one should be true, and not reverse the result. Now let's make decisions using if and else. Conditions allow our program to behave differently based on input. If the condition is true, Python executes the first block, otherwise runs the else block. Notice how indentation is used instead of brackets. This is extremely important in Python. Now let's talk about loops. Loops are used when we want to repeat code multiple times. Python mainly has two types of loops, for and while. We use a for loop when we know how many times to repeat. Range 5 generates numbers from 0 to 4. On each iteration, the value of I changes automatically. Now, let's look at a while loop. A while loop runs as long as condition is true. Here we manually increase the count. If we forget this line, the loop will run forever. So use for loop when the number of iteration is known and while loop when the condition controls the loop. Now let's move to data structures which are used to store multiple values. A list is ordered and changeable. We can add elements using append. A tuple is similar to a list, but it cannot be modified. Once created, the values cannot be changed. A set stores only unique values. Duplicate values are automatically removed. A dictionary stores data as key-value pairs. Instead of indexes, we access values using keys. Functions help us organize and reuse code. Instead of writing the same logic again and again, we use functions. Here, def is used to define a function. A and B are parameters. The return statement sends the result back. We call the function by its name and pass value called the argument. One of the Python's biggest strength is its libraries. A module is a file that contains reusable code. Python already comes with many built-in modules. We use the import keyword to access modules. The math module provides mathematical functions. The random module is used to generate random values. To install external libraries, we use pip, Python's package manager. And that's a complete Python basic revision in just 10 minutes. We covered syntax, variables, inputs, operators, conditions, loops, data structures, functions, and libraries. This video is perfect for beginners and anyone who needs a quick Python refresher. Now the most important thing is practice. Keep writing code. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment for the more quick programming tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.